Welcome back to MrYouWho, and here again. Great to have you back with us today. Guys, I'm really excited today to be reviewing the Soundpeats Opera 05 and 03 earbuds. Now, I'm so excited to be reviewing these. Opera have just done a Kickstarter campaign, and these have just been released. So they've just come onto the marketplace, and we're really excited to be reviewing them. You see, Soundpeats have done a great job with these earbuds. They're under $100, would you believe? So in this video, we're going to start by doing an unboxing, so you can see what comes in them. And like other people that do reviews, we're actually going to go and use these out and about. So we're going to go and use them at the gym. You can see what they're like. We're going to go put them on. Going to test out the sound, the comfort, how they feel, the different features. We're actually going to go and show you how the noise cancelling works and the transparency mode works. So you guys can make a decision about whether you think these are the best earbuds for you. Now you see, these are fantastic earbuds. There's two drivers in the Opera 05, one driver in the Opera 03, which is basically the key differences to them. There's also slightly different colours as well. Now they have 7 hours charge in the earbuds, 20 hours in the case. They take about 1 to 2 hours of charge, so not too long. They have LDAC codec drivers as well as high-res audio as well, which is fantastic. So you're going to love these earbuds. They're IPX4 water rated as well. But anyway, I don't give you guys too much more information because I'm sure you guys want to see what's actually going on with these. Anyway, I'm just going to go and pop these in now. And as you can see, here's a quick kind of sneak preview. There they are just there. Look how nice that looks. So pop in my earbuds, listen to some music, and I guess we'll get this underway. So there's links if you want to join the Kickstarter campaign and put your interest forward to order them in the future. Make sure you also subscribe to our channel. Check out our other earbud videos. We've done a ton of them. Anyway, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for joining us here at MrYouWho. So let's now take a look at the Soundpeats Opera 05 and the Opera 03. As you can see, they come in pretty much identical cases and they look very, very similar. As you can see, there's the earbuds on the back. So you can see, we'll go and open them up now. Now we'll start with looking at the Opera 05. Now the key difference between these earbuds is that the Opera 05 has 2 drivers in each earbud, and the Opera 03 has 1 earbud each driver, and also the Opera 03 as well as a slightly different colours. So as you can see, here's the case and also the charging port. Now, as you can see, the quality of the packaging is really nice. They've done a real good job of it. Very simplistic, but it stands out and looks nice. So if we pop out and have a look at the earbuds case, now as you can see, it looks very, very nice. I love the gold embezzlement along there. And there's a light to say it's charging the earbuds. That's where you use the Bluetooth pair. And that's the back of it there. And there's the Soundpeats logo at the back. There's Soundpeats logo there at the back, and as you can see, there's USB-C charging as well. So let's pop it open and have a look. So there's the earbuds with the Soundpeats logo. Now again, these feel very, very good. Now the earbuds are about 7.2 grams each, as shown there. As you can see, they're very, very stylish as well. Let's just bring this out and have a look at it. So again, these are the same as the Opera 03, except for the color on them is slightly different. So there they are there. Now they are touch controls, which means you can touch the earbuds to change the songs. As you can see, they've done quite well with the branding along there as well. See the writing, let's get a bit closer. The writing there on the earbuds is really, really nice. Also, it's got 4 mics in them for voice calling as well. You get about 7 to 8 hours in each earbud. They do have active noise cancelling and also transparent mode, so you can reduce it if you're walking around. The great thing with these is also the high-res certified as well, which means they can do high-res music, which is really, really good. And IPX4 as well, which is fantastic. We'll talk a bit more about those features shortly, but there's the case. Let's have a bit more of a look at what comes in the packet here. So you do have the different wingtips that you can use, so you can fit in your ear. You also have the charger cable as well in the back there. And yeah, there's the charger cable there, so charges quite well. So let's go and jump out and have a look at the Opera 03 as well. So there's the Opera 05, put it just there. Take a look at the Opera 03. So again, you've got similar packaging too. You've got the case there, open it up. Now you can see, I don't know if you can have a look, put these two together. You can probably see that there's slightly different colors in the earbuds. See, that's more of a gold, and that's more of a silver one on the Opera 03. But except for that, the earbuds are pretty much very, very similar, very much identical. As you can see there, they look very similar. Look design as well. So you've got the same buttons on the back there as well. So they feel like a very, very good quality. Feel very, very well designed as well. The kind of earbuds that you would feel confident using. Both have similar battery life as well. They feel really, really good. So there's the Opera 05 and the Opera 03. So how easy are the Opera 03 and 05 to set up? Well, it's very, very straightforward. You see, you take the earbuds out of the case, like so, and you put them in the ears, like this. So they fit in there nice and snugly. Put the other one out and put in here. Now, straight away, you can feel how comfortable they are in the ears. As you can see there, they fit very, very well. They fit nicely, nice and snug as well. They fit really well in the ear canal. Now, as well, you have the different tips in case you want to try them out. But the great thing with the Opera 05 earbuds is as well, you can use the app to control them. So you can see the app here, it's just opened up. Now there you can see, you can actually select, go back, you can actually do the volume controls on the app. So you can turn it up, you can turn it down. You can also use the preset equalizer as well. So you can use pop, you can use, I like to use dance music, for example. You can also use customized equalizer as well, depending on what you want. You can switch on the normal mode, the transparency mode, and also the ANC mode as well. So the app's very, very good, and also updated the firmware when I started using it as well, which is really, really good. So the app works really well. But also regards to touch for the earbuds. So if you hold this earbud here, 1 to 5 seconds, it actually would turn on the transparency mode or the noise cancelling. If you double press it, triple press it as well, it calls up your Google or Amazon Assistant. You can press this down as well on this side to put the music up, put the volume down, change tracks. It works really, really well. So very, very easy to set up. The app does support it. The app doesn't have a whole heap of features, but I think as this product's just being launched, they'll continue to add those features in the future as well. So it works very, very well. So let's go and have a look now at a bit about what the music is like, and let's test out those 30mm drivers, which sound really good. Oh, sorry guys, I got caught up in the music. You know what? The music with the Soundpeats Opera 03 and 05 is absolutely fantastic. And the reason is they use high-res audio and LDAC codec, which means the music in these is up there with some of the more premium quality earbuds out there in the marketplace. Now, the guys have engineered the sound to be really, really good. It's got a very good balanced sound palette, which means that the mid-drifts come through, trebles are high, and the bass is good. The bass isn't too punchy, which you wouldn't expect with earbuds like this, but they do sound really, really good. And hopefully in the future with the app, they'll have the support to be able to change the sound settings a bit more. You do have the EQ settings in there as well, but it'd be good to have a bit more in place to be able to use it. So these would be good if you use them at gym, out and about. They work really, really well. Now, as you see, I'm filming outside here, one of my places that I live, and it's really good to be using them out and about. The music is great, and a lot more than what you expect for sub-$100 earbuds as well. And I guess the guys really have sorted through the quality of these. You see the earbuds fit very, very well in the ears as well. As you can see them there, they sit very, very well, and they've got the drivers in them as well. So 30mm drivers, so 2 drivers in the Opera 05 as well. Make sure the processing power of the earbuds is very good as well. They sound good, feel good, and work really well. Now we're going to go and do a sound test in a minute so you can kind of see how the earbuds sound. The guys have done exceptionally well with these. You wouldn't believe that these are sub-$100 earbuds for the sound. Anyway, we're going to go test out the microphone, the noise cancelling. I'm going to go use them at the gym so you guys can see what you think. But as you can see they're there. The only thing I'd say with them is I would probably go for, they are slightly bulkier in the ears than normal earbuds. Now, this may put some people off. For me, it doesn't. I like having good sized earbuds in the ears. It means they don't move around too much. And use them at the gym as well, because they're IPX4 water sweat rated. It means they're not going to be damaged when I'm sweating, if they don't sweat much. But they also just don't drop them in water like some people do. So yeah, let's jump in and test them out now. So we're using the earbuds on a busy bridge in Brisbane. As you can see, I can hear my conversation very, very well. They can hear me on the side as well. It works really well. And the transparency mode is also really good. You press the side earbud and you can actually speak to people and see if traffic's coming past. So surprisingly good, the noise cancelling on these. I was able to hold a conversation and couldn't even hear the traffic in the background. I was very, very impressed with it. Here at the gym working out, and as you see, they're not moving much in my ears. They are quite good for workouts, and with the noise cancelling as well, I can't really hear the music around me. Again, as you can see there as I'm doing it, sits really, really nicely in the ears. It's got a good seal, and they work really well. I'd probably say I wouldn't use them too much for running like I'm about to do now, because they do move around slightly in the ear, but good for doing weights and good for walking and general exercise. Wow. Well, how about that? Weren't the Soundpeats Opera 05 and 03 earbuds really spectacular? And I hope you enjoyed seeing the journey of that review. You see, the sound quality in these is absolutely fantastic. It's as good as you saw. And that's because of the higher res audio and the LDAC codec. It enables the sound to be processed so much better and so much sharper. It's much more like high-end earbuds in the marketplace. It really was nice. And I guess the thing with these is they sit really well in the ears as well. Now, they're slightly more bulkier than other earbuds I've probably reviewed, but as you saw when I worked at the gym and went out riding, you could see they sat really well. Noise cancelling was great. I could hear people, you could see me talk in the bridge, could talk really well. Voice quality is good because of 4 mics in the earbuds. They're very, very good, and they've done a great job with the design. So I also love the case. Just pop the case into your bag and jump on your way and go and do your shopping or whatever else you do. So I hope you guys enjoyed me using these out and about. They really are good. Again, it's a Kickstarter campaign, so check in the links below to get these earbuds. We're really excited to be reviewing them. They're really, really good. The touch controls are quite good. The app was good as well. Good all-around earbuds. Anyway, make sure you check out other earbud reviews at MrYouWho. We've done quite a few. And let us know what you think of the Soundpeats Opera 05 or 03. Whether you go for the 05 or the 03, they're very, very similar, but I'd probably pay a little bit extra and go the double drivers, which the Opera 05 have. But anyway, hope you enjoyed watching the video, and thanks for joining us here again at MrYouWho.